Item number 14, members' reports. Anyone's got
I'm being naughty, I didn't write my report. my act of rebellion on the last day.
No verbal reports, okay.
Chairman, just one in regards of excess. Taupo, you remember we allocated 20 or 25,000, that's the results, the report. We had a meeting last week. The committee will probably want to make a presentation to the next council in regards of the next steps forward. The serious areas in this report, the estimated taking the risk away is 175,000. It's probably unbudgeted money at the moment. So just to give you a heads up that they will be coming to, because what we don't want is to spend all that money and this thing gets buried.
Okay, thank you, Councillor Body. Everyone's put your reports up to us. So to Shani. Resolution there, moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried. Okay, right. Resolution through the public. Thank you, Matt. Could I have a mover? We move it into. Oh, okay.
Oh, you're still doing moving and then
move into confidence, please.
a couple of minutes for the
Moved by Councillor Truman, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried. Right, we'll just have a minute.
appropriate for liberty against the fingers, isn't it?
The key set.